Question 7. The process by which a red blood cell placed in distilled water absorbs until it bursts and releases its contents into the surrounding is known as A. Osmosis, B. Plasmolysis, C. Turgidity, D. Hemolysis. That question is found in the year 1994, question 18. Why don't we give it a try? Okay, now let's see what the correct answer is. The correct answer is D. Hemolysis. Hemolysis is the process by which a red blood cell bursts and releases its contents. Hemolysis in particular, not plasmolysis. Hemolysis involves red blood cells only. Question 8. Salts and water are absorbed in the roots and transported to the leaves by A. Diffusion through the xylem tissues, B. Osmosis through the phloem tissues, C. Diffusion through the phloem tissues, D. Osmosis through the xylem tissues. That question is from the year 2001, and that's question 27. Can you give it a try? Okay, let's see what the correct answer says. The correct answer is D. Osmosis through the xylem tissues. Osmosis through the xylem tissues is the way salt and water can be absorbed into a plant.